Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. This is Teacher Simon taking you through Cambridge IGCSE Extended Chemistry Paper 2 for Feb-March 2025. Question 21. Mercury 2 oxide decomposes when heated. The equation is shown. This is the equation here. Why is this a reduction equation? Now we know using this acronym OIRIG that reduction is gain of electrons and oxidation is loss of electrons. And also, oxidation can be regarded as gaining of oxygen, reduction, loss of oxygen. You can see here that mercury is having oxygen, but then here it has lost the oxygen. So loss of oxygen has to be reduction. And so our answer here is D. There is a loss of oxygen. Alternatively, since this is mercury 2 oxide, that means the oxidation state here is 2 for mercury. So we have mercury here 2 plus, and then here mercury, the oxidation state here is 0. Okay, here it is plus 2 and then 0. So now you can see that there is decrease in oxidation state. So decrease in oxidation state implies reduction. Okay, but since what we are having in here is in terms of oxygen, so there is loss of oxygen for mercury. That is why it is reduction. Question 22. Some information about two dilute acids is shown. We have nitric acid, and this is a strong acid. And then they are saying that the acid concentration is 0.1. Then propanoic acid, the concentration is 0.4. pH is 1, pH is 2.6. So this one is for the strong one. And then this one is a little bit weak. Okay. Now, they are telling us that there are 3 statements about the acids that are listed here. And one of them is nitric acid has a lower pH because it dissociates more than propanoic acid. This is correct because nitric acid here, being a strong acid, it dissociates completely in solution to give a high concentration of hydrogen ions and these nitrate ions. Okay, then propanoic acid is a weak acid, so it dissociates partially in solution. This one is even an equilibrium reaction to give propanoate ions and hydrogen ions, but the concentration of hydrogen ions is so low, and acidity depends on the concentration of hydrogen ions which are released in solution. Okay, so this one is correct. There is a very low concentration of hydrogen ions for this one compared to this one here. Then number 2, propanoic acid has a lower concentration of hydrogen ions than nitric acid. Even this one is correct, I've just said it. And then number 3, propanoic acid has a higher pH because it has a higher concentration. No, even if it has a higher concentration, the one that is important in giving a very low pH, it is due to the concentration of hydrogen ions in solution. So it is not about this. The concentration of hydrogen ions in solution, it is the one that depends the pH of the solution. So 3 is off, and therefore our answer has to be A.